Welcome to virtual office training. Today I am going to teach you how can we split current window into two parts so that we can view different section of document at the same time. Just open Word document. Here you can see monthly sales report Jan 2012 data, and other table is monthly sales report Feb 2012 data, and I want to view both table at the same time. How can we view both table at the same time? Just go to the view menu, and here you will find split window. Just click here and it will ask you where you want to split. I want to split at the middle of the document. Just click here. It will split uh, current document into two parts. Now you can view both uh, section. Here is a monthly sales report Jan 2012 data, and other section is monthly sales report Feb 2012 data. You can drag anywhere and you can compare the quantity of both section very easily. It is very useful technique to compare and to view two section of current document. And if you want to remove the split, just double click here, it will remove. Now you can view these document. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.